Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a chakra pour. It'll be 7 4x12 canvases with all the colors of the chakra, and I'm going to start with the yellow since I already have yellow mixed up, and I'm going to take these away. Okay. So after I do each one, I'll pause the video and set up for the next one so that you can see them all in one video. They're very small and they should work great. I think I'm going to do a flip cup and just pull it down. So on each one of them, I am going to spray them with silicone in the cup. And that will be the WD-40 silicone spray. It releases all the paint from the cup. So I'm going to start with some white, and on this yellow one, this is the solar plexus chakra, which is for wisdom and power. We'll add some gold and some yellow with iridescent in it, and this is the was from Creative Inspiration. No, I'm sorry. It's Lucas Indian Yellow. I just drew a total blank there for a second. A little more white and some Creative Inspirations yellow. That should be plenty of paint. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the canvas and flip it. Just going to let it go. So when I get these all done, and they're dried, and I think I'll probably resin them and find a way to mount them all together so it's one big piece of art. So this will be kind of a long video, and I'm sorry about that, but we have to cover all 7, right? Okay, let me give that a torch. Looks pretty good. I'll give you a close-up. And I'll clean this one off. And I'll pause right here and we'll set up for the next one. Okay, so our next one is going to be the reds, which is the root chakra. And this is for basic trust. So we're going to start with just a little bit of white. I'm going to hit it with some crimson. A little bit of gold and some azo red. Back to just a tiny bit of white. So we're just doing them all over again. I just wanted a little bit of gold in this one. And we're going to go ahead and flip that one. I'm not worried about getting a ton of cells or anything like that, but I don't want one solid colors either, so, and I'm trying not to get pink in here. I did add the white just to separate colors, but it was very little. But I do like the gold in there. They're not just one solid color. So I'm going to go ahead and torch that one. And there's a close-up of that one. Clean this one up, and we'll do the orange one next. Okay, so our next one is the sacral chakra, which is for sexuality and creativity. And I'm going to be using Soho Cad Orange, Lucas Indian Yellow, this gold that I mixed up with some bright gold and just a little bit of white. Spray my cup. Start with a little bit of white. And go right in with the Cad Orange and some gold. Indian Yellow. I don't want to put more white in this one because I have a lot of gold. Okay, or that'd be enough paint. Maybe I'm going to have to add just a little bit more. I don't want to be shy paint, that's for sure. Okay, go ahead and flip it. I see a lot of people on YouTube that mix the black in with theirs, but I didn't want to have it be a dark chakra. I wanted it more true to color. I mean, they're beautiful with the black, but I wanted it to be more just the colors, with a little bit of interest in them with the cells. Of course, when things dry, they never look the same, so we'll see how they come out. These won't be dry for a few days, but I think they'll be pretty. I'll give you a close-up of that one. And pause the video here and we'll do the next one. Okay, so now we're going to do the crown, which is the purples. I'm going to go ahead and start with a little bit of white, and I'm going to put a little gold on top of that. Go right with the dioxazine violet, some Lucas lavender, and some black deep violet. Go back to the gold, the dioxazine, some black, and some lavender. I'm going to go ahead and flip this one. This one's pretty. I don't want all that blick deep violet there though. I'm gonna pour that off. Give this one a torch. And there is spirituality, the crown chakra. So let me wipe this one off and we'll move them aside and then we'll do the next one. Okay, so now we are on the third eye, which is awareness. We'll start with a little bit of white. This is the third eye chakra. A little bit of gold, some Lucas indigo, some Folk Art sapphire metallic, and some Lucas phthalo blue. Same thing. Who would have thunk that I would have done this, huh? Go ahead and flip this one. I kind of casually mentioned it, and I thought, well, I better do it now. But I've been wanting to do this for months, so I finally got the canvases and kind of figured out where I was going to go with this. So it did take a little bit of planning on my part. So this one did have some white show up. But I think it'll be okay. It'll give some definition to the color. I'm going to go ahead and torch this one. And I'll give you a close-up. Okay, so I'll get this one moved and we'll go to the next one. Okay, so now we are on our next one, which is the throat chakra, and this is for communication. So let's start with a little bit of white. I'm going to go right in with that Grumbacher and iridescent mix that I use, the Prussian blue, a little bit of gold, some Lucas turquoise, and some cerulean blue. I want to get a lot of different turquoises in here. I'm going to change the bottle on this one because the hole's not as big. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this one. I want to try to keep the turquoise colors as much as I can. Ooh, that would not have been good, but I do have it by the pin, so it It's not going anywhere. Okay, that one looks covered. Give it a torch. Give you a close-up. And we'll get on the last one, which is going to be our heart chakra. So I'll be right back. Okay, and our last pour is the heart chakra, which is love and healing. So I'm using some green earth on this one. That is from Lucas. And we're going to use some Artist Loft Aqua and some more gold. And then the Lucas Viridian. Touch of white. I'll go back to the green earth. A little bit of aqua, some gold, and some viridian. Get this one flipped. Then when I'm done with this one, I'll set it all up so you can see it when it's all done. Won't be dry, but it'll be done. Ends. Okay, so let me torch this one. And I'll give you a close-up. All right, so we'll be right back. So here they are, all in their glory. The crown chakra, the third eye chakra, the throat chakra, the heart chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the sacral chakra, and the root chakra. Everything you need to be calm. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on the bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Check out all my links below. And also join us on Facebook. So we will see you all on the next one. Thanks so much for sticking in and watching me make the chakra. Bye now.